What's up guys, it's Sydney and this is your 10-minute HIIT workout. So grab your mat and let's go. Alright guys, so we've got 10 minutes of work today. I've got 6 exercises for you that you're going to repeat as many times as you can within that 10 minutes. 10 reps of each one, just non-stop as many times as we can, okay? If you guys are ready, I'll show you the first exercise. First 3 are gonna be down on your mat. Second 3 are gonna be standing, all right? So we're gonna start with 10 plank jacks. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and you're gonna stay right there. 10 plank knee to elbow. 1, 2, 3, I want you to squeeze your obliques. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Walk your hands back to your toes. 10 inchworms. Here's 1. Let's make it quick. And 2. Tight core on your way out. 3, 4. Inchworms are a good total body workout. 5. Push in with your arms. Hold your core tight. 6. And stretching those hamstrings on the way back up too. 3 more, here we go. Here's 8. And 9, you've got 1 more. Walk, 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 walk. Walk back to your toes. And good, come on up. 4th exercise, we're gonna go lunge pops. So you're gonna go 1 lunge, pop back to the top. 2, 3, all right, keep going. 4, 5, 6, 7, need modification. Just slow it down, give me a little hop at the top. 9, and 10. Reach up overhead, high knee, knee taps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, good job. 9, 10, last one of our circuit. You're gonna go squat, heel tap. Try to give me a little hop at the top. 3, 4, 5, 6, modification, stand and tap. Here we go, 9 and 10. Good job. So as many rounds of that as possible. We're back to the top. Plank jacks, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, stay right there. Knee to elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Keep your hips low. 7, 8, 9, 10. Inchworms. Here we go. This one's a chance to catch your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Think about your flexibility here. Try to keep those legs straight as you walk back in. 6, give me 4 more. Here's 7. Good job, good job. 8, we're almost there. 2 more. 9, last one, you're gonna walk all the way out, all the way in, and then stand up. 10. Whew, good job. Back to the lunge pops. Here we go. 2, 1, lunge pop. Just a little hop at the top. Here's 4, 5, 6, 7. You guys still with me? Whew, 9 and 10. Great job. High knee, reach up, go to your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reach. 6, 8, 9, 10. Big deep breath. Squat, heel tap. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Good job, good job. 4, 5, 6. Keep your chest up. 7, 9, and 10. All right, grab a quick swig of water. 2 rounds down. Almost halfway. Doesn't sound too encouraging, huh? You're doing great though. All right, we'll start on round 3. We got just a little under 6 minutes left. Big deep breath when you need it. Let's go back to plank jacks. 2, 1, here we go. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stay right there, knee to elbow. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Walk it back, inchworms. Whew. Here's 1. Take your time and focus and breathe here. 2. Keep your hands down. 3. And 4. You can feel it in your triceps, in your shoulders. 5. And I feel that stretch in my hamstring every time I go back. 6. Whew. Let's speed it up a little if you can. 7. You're doing great. Here's 8. 2 more. Push, push, push. 9. Push, 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 push. Last one, all the way out and all the way back in. Whew. Good. Stand up, back to the lunge pops. 1, 2, keep switching legs. 3, 4, modification. Again, just step it up and back. 7, 8, 9, 10. Raise those arms up overhead. High knee taps. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay light on your feet. 9, 10. We're back to the 10 squat heel taps. Down, tap it. Swing that leg right inside. 4, 5. Come on. Let's go. 8, chest up, hips low. 9, 10. Woo. All right, time check, 3.5 minutes. I think we can get 2 more rounds in. All right, here we go. Down for our plank jacks, ready, let's go. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Stay right here, knee to elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Walk it back. Whew. Inchworms, there's 1. Keep your hands down. Walk, walk, walk. Pull your abs up as you walk in. 2. Pull, 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 pull. 3. Don't forget to breathe. 4. 5. You're doing great. Come on. Whew. There's 6. 4 more. Keep it up. Keep it up. Push, push, push. 7. Squeeze tight. Push, push, push. 8. 2 more. Here's 9. Give me 1 more. All the way out. Flat belly all the way back up. Step it on up. Back to lunge pops. 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, and 10. Raise those arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Come on. 7, 8, 9, 10. Down to your squat. Heel tap. 1, 2, 3. We got it. Come on. 4, 5. Modification. Just step or stand as you touch your heel. Here we go. 8, 9, and 10. Whew. 90 seconds. We've got time for 1 more if we hurry. Plank jacks. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Knee to elbow. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. Walk it back. Inchworms. Here we go. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost there. 1 minute. 5. We can do this. Let's go. 6. Whew. 7. 8. 2 more. Push, push, push. 9. Last one. 10. Walk back to your toes. Whew. Back to lunges. Here we go, we got it, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, we've got 30 seconds. We're gonna get there. 7, 8, 9, 10, hands up, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 seconds, here we go. 1, 2, 3, finish strong. 4, 5, 6, come on. 7, 8, 9, and time. Whew. Oh my goodness. Nice work. Take a big deep breath. Grab some water. All right, that was a workout to be proud of. Just so you know, any workout like that, the harder you push yourself, the more calories you're gonna burn. Very basic movements, but you up that intensity, get your heart rate up, get your metabolism burning. It's gonna burn for a long time after that, all right? Let me know what you thought of this workout. If you like it, wanna see workouts like this in the future, let me know in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up, and I'd love to see you back here tomorrow, so make sure you click subscribe. See you guys, have a good day.